Hi guys, today I want to share with you the Makita LS1219L dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. The dual bevel means you can bevel to the left and bevel to the right. The angle bevel will be 48 degree to the left and 48 degree to the right, whereas the angle miter saw will be 60 degree to the left and 60 degree to the right. The machine is 1800 watt and the blade diameter is 12 inch, which is 305 mm. The RPM is 3200. The dimension is 890 mm times 660 mm times 725 mm. The net weight will be 30 kg. The power supply cord will be 2.5 meter. The standard equipment will be TCT saw blade, vertical, vise, hex wrench, triangular roll, and dust bag. Pull the safety pin and press the button before you adjust the bevel. Lock the position with turning the knob in clockwise. Play around or understand the machine first before start using the miter saw. Remember to locate the safety pin on each part of the machine.